In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add shift lock in Roblox Studio. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, before we do get started, I did want to let you guys know that I did just launch my ultimate Roblox game dev template. If you're trying to make your own Roblox game, check out the Gumroad and the Etsy links down in the description. Not only does it help with the channel, but it's also going to help you make the perfect Roblox game. Now, first things first, open up Roblox Studio, and once it opens up for you, load into whatever project, or just start with a template, just like so. And once you're in here, you need to go ahead and make sure that this Explorer panel is open. If you don't see it, go up to this View tab up at the very top, and you essentially just want to go ahead and make sure that you have it turned on. But go ahead and have that Explorer panel open, and as you can see, I can toggle it on and off, just like so. Once you have this on, though, what you need to go ahead and do is look for the starter player setting on here, and you could search for it. That's what I recommend doing. So just search for starter player, and you need to find starter player on here. Go ahead and click it, and then in here you're going to see properties pop up all the way down to the very bottom. Once again, you could toggle that on just like so in the View tab. Once you're in the properties for this, look for the mouse lock option. You're going to have to scroll down a little bit until you do see this, but you're going to see enable mouse lock option on here. You need to make sure that this setting is turned on or checked just like so. Once it's enabled, the players will be able to use shift lock in your Roblox game, and that is the entire process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.